I'm Rhonda Nicholson. Today I'm super excited to talk to you about the QR code. What is the QR code? The uses and benefits of a QR code, what device reads a QR code, what a QR code can be used on, how it is read, and how it reaches the various learning styles, and what grade levels use it. The tools and equipment that you will need to create the QR code would be a website that you want to link it to, your technology devices such as your smartphone, computer, iPad, and or a camera, a browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and or Microsoft Edge, a QR code reader. In this example, we're going to use my Facebook URL, a printer, and a camera. The students will end up with a lesson plan, and they will need a link that describes the QR code, qrstuff.com, which will generate the actual code. And they will be given handouts on instructions how to create the code, a rubric, a QR code image, and a syllabus. First, we will talk about the QR code. What is a QR code? It's a free app for scanning both Android and our iOS devices. The QR code is totally free. However, if you would like to purchase like colored images or whatever, you would have to buy an extra subscription for that. They have different plans. But to generate just a generic code, it's totally free. Never a fee for it. They are used to take a piece of information from types of printed material, such as advertising, audio visuals, and expositions, and then they are uploaded to your cell phone to be scanned. QR codes originated from Japan. They are quick response methods and offer an interesting way to push information to learners. They can be easily tracked, can encourage interaction, can lower marketing costs, and can be scanned and read instantly. QR codes can be used for every learner, such as visual, auditory, readers, and kinesthetic. They're used to share resources. They can be used in the classroom, such as activities, hands-on learners, for scavenger hunts, for the active learner. They can be used for books and reading materials. They provide easy access to online content. qrstuff.com is a QR code generator website, and it is a piece of software that stores data into a QR code. It creates a code by typing in your data and download it as a PNG or a vector file. And how is it read? A QR code is read from a smartphone or an iPad. Next, I'm going to provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to build or create a QR code. First, you will navigate to QRStuff website, which is www.qrstuff.com. Then, once you get there, you'll select data type, and I have the red arrow there. This is the website right that will pop up, and you'll select data type. Next, you will select the website URL. Then you will actually put the URL into the link, and I'm going to use my Facebook URL, and I'll put my Facebook URL there, and then the next step would be to download the code. And this is the image of the code. You would go into your downloads, you would find the code. If you choose to print it, you can print it and paste it up all over your classroom or down the hallway if you have something you want to advertise or something you want your students to see. Then the students could go up and scan it and take a picture of it, and it will pop up and it takes them straight to the activity that you have planned for them. So this is the actual code that can be scanned. You use your smartphone camera to scan the code. You simply go into your phone, tap on your camera, hold it in front of it, and the pop-up that pops up, you click that, and there is your activity. And this particular code will take you to my Facebook page. And these are my references. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.